All right, guys, welcome to the Thursday directions. Like we said, we're switching gears now. We're done with geography. We're moving on to early American history. And so, what we're going to do is in early American history, obviously, there's going to be a lot of contact, conversations, conflicts between the white Europeans who are coming over and the Native Americans who are already here. So, with that, a bunch of groups are going to come up throughout the rest of the semester. Next trimester, I should say. So what we're going to do is we're just kind of familiarize ourselves with some of them. So when they come up during our actual units, we'll know a little bit about them already, so we won't be so confused. So what's going to happen here? You got this little PDF directions here. You can work with one partner. I talk to the people at home, so you guys should already know that. If you want to work independent, it says independent. You can do that too. Doesn't matter to me, but if you want to work with a partner, do that too. So it says you will pick one Native American tribe to become an expert in. Everyone will have a different tribe to research. That's not going to be so true this year. I'm going to let you guys kind of pick whatever you want. You may choose whatever product. Basically, you can choose whatever presentation you want to give to me. Paper, PowerPoint, ebook, website, video, poster. Doesn't matter to me. Okay? So just make sure that you pick kind of your delivery piece. So if you want a PowerPoint, poster, whatever, you guys get it. So here's the whole list right here. If you guys want to, if you want to spend a few minutes today, maybe just if you're not familiar with them, maybe just Wikipedia search them so you kind of give yourself a little background, and maybe pick the one that you think you're most interested in. All right, so now that we've picked our partner, or we picked if we're going to be independent, we picked our group now. Let's move on to the meat of it all, things we need to have. So the areas of study. We're going to split this up into basically a before and an after. So the before part is life prior to contact with white settlers. So what was their life and culture and daily routine like before the Europeans came over? So you have a whole list here of things that you'll be researching. You can take a look at them. All right. And then the next part is life after the contact with settlers. All right, so for this one, there's a little bit more information because we have to describe the first contact, what treaties were made, how did they feel. Generally, some tribes were fighting white Europeans immediately. Some tried to become, friends with them. Some stayed neutral. So let me know how that goes. Did they trade? Did war break out with America? If so, describe the conflict. How did life change under the reservation system? All right, how does it impacted by Indian school boards, the Indian boarding school system, all these things that'll be coming up. And if you're not familiar with the Indian boarding school system, well, you're going to have to kind of do a little bit of research and figure out what it is. All right, so just go through it. Make sure you have A through K somewhere on your product or your presentation. All right. The project, we're going to be working on it today, Thursday, tomorrow, Friday, and then Monday in class will be the last day we're going to work on it. So Tuesday morning, it's due. So you got 3 days to work on it. All right, so since it's 3 days of work, it's going to be 30 points. That's kind of how I normally do it. I normally do 10 points a day, as you guys know. So this project will be worth 30 points. All right, and basically, your job is you want to become so familiar with this group that when your group comes up during the year, we kind of know who to ask questions to, right? Because you're supposed to be the expert in this group. So we'll kind of know who to go to for each kind of different unit moving forward. All right, but that's it. Good luck working today. Today should be more of a planning day, figuring out who I want to work with, which group I want to, study, and then start to kind of go through the list and see which parts I know already, which parts I don't know, and then maybe do some general research and get started. All right, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Email me. You don't have to email me who your partner is, and you don't have to email me which group you're doing. Okay. But that's pretty much it for today and tomorrow. I'll have a short, no Zoom meeting tomorrow. We're not going to need a Zoom meeting tomorrow for you guys to work on this. I will just send another directions video. That's just basically going to be the same as today. Remember though, tomorrow I don't take attendance. The school does, I believe. And now that I say that, I think I'm confusing myself a little bit. So keep an eye out for that. Probably the same as last Friday we were together. But anyways, guys, I'll stop talking. I'll let you guys get to work. And have a great day.